Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we are going to talk about one of the most useful feature in Plant SCADA, that is a pop-up. We'll cover what is a pop-up, why we use it, and finally, I will show you step by step how to configure pop-up inside Plant SCADA. So let's understand what is a pop-up. A pop-up in SCADA is basically a small window that appear on top of your main screen. It's used to show detailed information about equipment or process value without clustering the main graphics. For example, here, once we click over the pump, one pop-up window will open, and here we have more detail about pumps, like we can start the pump, we can stop the pump, and other alarms and faults we can put inside the pop-up. So why we use the pop-up? It's keep the main screen clean and simple. For example, here you can see over the main screen, no any start stop button is there. It's just neat and clean our graphic screen. And we just to keep it simple our graphics, we put more detail and other command signal in the pop-up. Whenever operator click over the any equipment, then the pop-up window will appear. One more benefit is operator can quickly access the more detail whenever it's needed. It will show these all alarm not every time here over the main graphic scene. When our operator want more detail about equipment, he can click over the equipment and he can see the detail of equipment. It's allow easy to control the actions like start and stop. And in the coming up tutorial video, we'll also learn how we can standardize the pop-ups using the Janice. So in this tutorial video, we will just simply learn how we can create a simple pop-up and how we can configure in the plant SCADA. So we'll use the same project that we already created in our previous tutorial videos. So click here, launch the graphic builder, then click here. So click here over the new page and then select this page option. From here, I will select the my resolution 920 by 1080. Select the blank or the faceplate. Okay, select the faceplate option. Click over the OK. Now we'll resize first our this pop-up faceplate. Right click over the property and put the name whatever you want to display once the pop-up is appear. For example, my case, I will put the pump 1. Now appearance area, here you have to select the faceplate. Lots of template is there, so I will select the faceplate. Now here I will select the width and height. I will put 240 and height I will put 250. Click over the apply and OK. Now I can, for example, I want to change the background. So I will right click property and from here the page color I will select like this color. Click OK. Now I'll take one of the rectangular and I will select the fill color, and from here we can select any of the color and click apply. Okay. Now I will adjust the height and width of this. So click OK. Now go here in arrange, adjust the position and size. So I will put the width to 40 and height I will put, for example, 34, and X position and Y position both should be 0, 0, and click here over the OK. Now I will take the one of the text and I will write like pump 1 and click here, and I will change the text color, put it bold, I OK. Then select and align center. I'll align it this one. Select this one, and after that background, align center. Okay. And I will just little bit use the size font. Okay, perfect. Now I will add one symbol. Click here over the symbol, and from here I will select the like pump symbol, and for the off should be gray, and for the true, once the value is true, then it should show here. And I will copy the tag from here that we already created in our previous tutorial, for example, motor run. And I also want, for just for the simulation purpose, once I press the command button, then it should also change the color. Once the command value is true, click apply and OK. Okay. Now I will create it here, the buttons, two of the button, and I will write start and click over the custom fill color. Normally I will select this color, and once it's pressed, the color should change to this. Okay. Now from here input that I just now copy already command button equal then 1. Once I press, the one value should write, click here apply and then OK. Just I will copy and paste the same button, but I will here write the stop, and I will change the color, for example this, and once press, and for the input I want 0 once we press this one. Click over the apply and then press OK. So now I will save. So here you can put any name. For example, I will put pump 1 pop-up. Okay. I will just copy the same name because this will I will use in when we will call this page in the pop-up. Click apply and close. Now I will open the graphic page that we already created in our previous tutorial, this overview page. Click here OK. Now I want, once I press this symbol, pump symbol, that time my pop-up should open. Now double click here. Here you can see we already configure for the once the value of tag is changed, then the pump symbol and color should change. Now come here over the input, then come here and click here insert function, and you can write it here page pop-up, and we have to select the function page pop-up. Select, click OK. Now here we have to write the name of our page that we just now created. I will paste it the name I while I save that page, I copy the name, and then here I have to put the name of my cluster. This I will remove it, just keep it default. So come here, just copy the name of your cluster, copy, and go back and control V. So now I write the name of my graphic page that I want to open it, and then my cluster name. Apply and OK. Save it and close. And now I will compile the entire project and then I will run it. Click here the OK. Now if I will click it here, you can see my pop-up is open now. If I will click here now to start, you can see now my pump is starting. When you click here in the stop button, the pump is become stop. So Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial video how we can configure a pop-up in the plant SCADA. So thanks for watching this video.